Hi, today I'm in some classical uh, enjoyment, so I like classic music, and I think that today is this my mood music. I needed something to organize my thoughts, my to-do lists, to some kind of board, and something that I will make quickly, actually quick. So I used some fancy deco tape, and for the basic side of this part I use the painter's tape. So when you want to paint a wall, you use this kind. We got here a white one. Yeah, so it will be work any kind of cardboard. This is a thin one from some notebook. You can use this one like this one. Sorry for my mathematics. So any kind, this could work well. You can even choose this side. Mine was white, so never mind. And this is my little piggy. I just love them, so they're great. And you can use the double side tape and put that there. So why did I use this sticky tape? Uh, Actually, painter tapes, because it's wall, and when you pull this off, it won't pull your paint off the wall, so it's easy to remove, and you can use over and over and over, and there won't be any holes. So I think that turned out very cool. You can remove papers, add others, you can paint, you can add some colors, but I will do it soon. And this is my lovely ladybugs. I just love them. I love this tape. It's amazing. I got this tape here. This, yeah, my ladybugs are here, and I love them. Uh, so in my few steps, you will see how this one went. Okay, I hope you're gonna like it. Yeah, I forgot. I just want notes for today. So today, note for today is, if you're able to imagine it, it's not unrealistic. So I hope you guys gonna have a great days. I got some flu, so my voice isn't perfect. Okay, I hope I gave someone inspiration for making something like this. And yes, keep listening this amazing music. I really enjoyed today, so this is my recommendation. Whatever music you like. Today is this one. Okay, so see you soon.